What's all this about a switch up? You're gonna instigate a change in heart. It's not a case of a real quick fix-up when it's an intricate and subtle art. Come back here, you're not done yet. You've done your part, but there's still a threat. So raise your hands and show them who we are. We're alive. I got no idea what we're doing here. I've never been so confused.